Hi, good evening. I'm Rojesh Shrestha. Today I'm presenting my case study on the automated hillside immigration assistance center system, also known as the immigration management system. Going to its introduction, HIC currently supports over 500 immigrants clients annually. However, they rely on manual systems such as physical files, emails, and spreadsheets, and this caused problems like document loss, missed deadlines, double booked appointments, and poor communication. The goal of my system is to automate these processes and improve efficiency, transparency, and service quality. So going to the slide 2, methodology, which is also called SDLC. For system development, I use the system development lifecycle. There are different SDLC models such as waterfall, spiral, and agile. I choose the Agile SDLC model because immigration system often changes due to policy updates and stakeholder feedback. It also allows flexibility, continuous improvement, and early feedback from users, which makes it suitable for this system. Going to the slide 3, requirement gathering. Uh, to gather system requirements, I use the interview technique. The interviews are effective because they allow direct interaction with stakeholders such as clients, case officers, and administrators. From these interviews, I identified key functional requirements such as client registration, appointment booking, case tracking, document upload, and payment management. I also identified non-functional requirements including data security, system reliability, user friendliness, and legal compliance. Going to the slide 4, use case diagram. So as you can see in the diagram, it shows how users interact with the immigration management system. And the main actor is the client, who can perform actions such as registering, booking appointments, uploading documents, and tracking case status. The system boundary represents the immigration management system, and each use case shows a service provided by the system. Talking about the slide 5, activity diagram, which is appointment workflow. So this activity diagram shows step-by-step workflow for booking an appointment. The process starts when the client logs in, selects a date and time, and the system checks availability. If the slot is available, the booking is confirmed and a notification is sent to both the client and the staff. And this diagram helps to explain the logical flow of activities in the system. Going to the slide 6, sequence diagram, client system interaction. This is the sequence diagram, which shows how different system components communicate over time. The interaction begins when the client requests an appointment. The immigration management system then checks availability with the scheduler. And once the availability is confirmed, uh, the system confirms the booking and sends notification, which you can clearly see in the diagram. As I have mentioned it pretty clear. And this diagram focuses on message flow and system interaction, which makes clients to get the information easily after the booking is confirmed. Going to the slide 7, domain model, client case, appointment, payment. So this is the domain model class diagram. It represents the main data objects in the system, such as client, case, appointment, and payment. And the diagram also shows a relationship between these classes. For example, a client can have multiple cases, and each case can have appointments and payments. So it will definitely help to define the system data structure and make the process easier. Uh, Next slide, user interface design. The user interface of the system is designed to be simple and user-friendly. The client dashboard also allows users to view case status of coming appointments and notifications. And then the appointment booking screen uses a calendar-based layout to prevent double booking, which will prevent the clients to book their appointments double or more than that. And it it helps to manage the confusion between the clients and then the system. So there is also a secure messaging interface for communication and document sharing between clients and staff. So overall, yeah, the UI improves usability and reduces manual effort. Going to the conclusion. So in conclusion, the proposed immigration management system addresses the current inefficiencies at HIAC by automating case management, appointment scheduling, communication, and payments. The system improves efficiency, transparency, and client satisfaction. The use of agile methodology and system modeling techniques ensure the system is flexible, secure, and scalable. So yeah, this was it. This was my case study. So hope my case study could provide a correct and good information about how a immigration management system can work. So thank you.